see beautification of roads only when VVIP visits the town? Press conference held over illegal appointments in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Thieves tried to steal batteries of solar street lights installed near Ejang service station. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Terangpi. Now the news in details. Dipu is the headquarters of Karbi Anglong East, known for the fastest moving town of Assam under the population of 50,000 to 1 lakh. Due to its scenic beauty, thousands of tourists from across the nation and the globe visits the town, which consequently led to the beautification in certain sections of the town. Will the town see and experience good roads only when VVIPs visit the town? We often witness beautification of retaining walls, dividers and filling of potholes on roads only when there are certain visit of VIP and VVIPs in the town. If this is such the case, will the concerned department and authority of Karbi Anglong just endure the pathetic conditions of roads if there is no visits of any VIP and VVIP at the town? Let us look at this visual. The potholes you see here is not new. This had been there since few months. This is the only road that connects the town with its neighboring towns. All the concerned authorities and representatives of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council also commute through it daily, yet there is no sign of consciousness towards the renovation of the road so far. Hence, can we assume this to be a clear sign of ignorance from the PWD department? The visual you see here is from the heart of the town. This is the condition of the road, covered with potholes in front of District Social Welfare, Rongkhelan, Dipu. What led the road into this pathetic condition? Is this a sign showing the incompetence of the concerned authority and ignorance from the concerned department? To those August travelers who choose to take this road at night has a high chance of encountering road mishap due to large potholes present in the middle of road. If such is the condition of the road used by CEM, EMs and MECs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, we cannot even imagine what would be the conditions of the road in other sections of the districts. The presence of potholes had consequently affected the daily commuters, school children, employees, emergency services and all sorts of vehicles. Therefore, the concerned authority and PWD department should pay utmost attention upon the current situation and initiate the repairing works at the earliest for the convenience of the public. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The topic of illegal job appointments in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is not new. Yet, no one is held responsible, nor had there been any thorough investigation. Alleging illegal appointments in the Health and Family Welfare Department and Soil Conservation Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in the past, Potmo Teron and his companions had held protests in front of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But today, as on 10th August, we are yet to see any investigation, said Potmo Teron at a press conference held at Dipu Press Club.
Board on me kedam tangari ni dum labang su illegal appointment of the council don ri long setami chesong ponang ko galapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ka chari ki thegi ding atom RD ne PPA jo sai jo ni thongkep setami ni dum chesong ponang ko aphi jong election code of conduct dui kokma dele to malam so sangi koklo apen election code of conduct lapen election tangdak de phi alang nitum haide de phi CM ke hai alang li public domain mate social media long da pina niltum theklong lo alang li kaning je pondu je Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la thengno ge chesong pon da lewi alang nitum justice nang legi hok petakang sai nang legi blotang te isi alang nitum hen pen representation complaint letter or memorandum isi nang palik no pusalang li ningje lo lapen alang li inside po pusi rata hom jai lo lam chak chipi lo labang so alang li lam chak chipi ateng nilitum ke tamtang 11/7/2022 memorandum ke lai khan lo alang li CM ke heban alang li chamber lo nilitu memorandum thonamik lo memorandum thonam ben alang inside pon po pusi nilitum lam chak chipi no pon so dami pini yar nian ke Chikloi jon plengi kailo kopi ko sono ne ko anang deng no ne alang litum katarlip lapen ko mama ji kangsai kono ne ko ma officer da kong chala pon ma si alang litum neping nang lo ne disciplinary action enang lo ne polang litum pinian yang da ra thong jalang tangdak de lo.
Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, had during the protest asked for memorandum and promised to help those responsible, and accordingly, the memorandum was submitted, said Potmoteron. He further expressed his disappointment at not seeing any actions taken against the illegal appointments done in the Department of Soil Conservation and Health and Family Welfare Department.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long ke la health la pen health department la pen soil conservation la hini department long derle illegal appointment la puson ke do pukali akapre ka department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long ke topik la hilitum ang theg long bom lo chini bom lo la pen rat satami la bangso ka ke chini bai athela bang illegal appointment do akapre ka department long do pe lage open secret bon satami rat atum ka feria job ko mane pressure ki pia job rat atum alang litum paklang kona heder lo lasi labangso illegal appointment apu thak nilitum ki puji ge prabjin pen labangso illegal appointment apu thake alang litum non nitum nang chunal don deprived candidates alang litum del ge sungji poli labangso ajutang lang nu illegal appointment aronde ben pibom lang gote pini nili da theklo mini pinabla theklo mini pinabdi ge komane akar bi apho komane englong so alang litum phobom po lagi nilitum del ge sungji poli lo lagi na sila so pu thak bangke council dum prabjin ben ka chapakeng kenang sot athe aronde ben pibom lang bolo de
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. In the district headquarters of Karbi Anglong Dipu, the streets are beautifully decorated with colorful lights and street lights that enhance more beauty to the town. However, yesterday morning around 3:30 a.m., two individuals tried to destroy it by trying to steal away battery of solar street lights that was in front of the Ejang service station or petrol pump in Birla under Dipu police station. Luckily, security guard Rohit Togbi caught them and stopped them from doing so. Rohit Togbi informed the media that the thieves also tried to bribe him by offering him a sum of rupees 500. However, instead of accepting their offer, he stopped them from stealing the battery of the solar light. Taking advantages of the dark, the thieves managed to flee from the scene.
Malah ni likuna dak charge igdong usane hadi ni kunang kian si bang malang kumang ka perisi ekdom malu bani tha ganang pasal me ke kadin si di rorak lo mani han angela kunang pulang mane ani bahani mati ni nivel mati anak apor ke alang kuman han sonang pila pasal galang harus kau sar api besar itu aku juga dari lejan itu mani bangta पैसा के बाद क्यों दिया भाई हमको पैसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे तो वो बेहतर चाहिए फिर भी तुम वो क्यों किया जो चोरी तुम क्यों किया वो भी यह डिफू के अंदर में डिफू के सिटी के अंदर तुमने क्यों चोरी किया मुझे पैसा की बात मत करो मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए साथ समय तुम लोगों को भी काम है.
But the most surprising news came in when a man with a scooty went to the petrol pump to ask for the stolen battery and checked the CCTV footage of the incident. One of the thieves' face was captured from the footage. However, no further details about him could be gathered till now.
एक घंटा पिन dak sir stop bang हम फोन कॉल है रोहित वो बैटरी लेने के लिए कोई आया है यार है आप मुझसे बातचीत करो ना पुल है मनी ले बैंक फोन चाहिए लो आरामी बनाना ना पुल जे अच्छा नीली फोन का तुम से ला बैटरी का तुम से बang lo jika sas na thandi
Karbi amunin ma
Karbi amu sih na cingki hai jika sas na tos nili betul kan tum sih bang lo na pun amani bang ta kon ma asal ni cingni ko de ta kumala ala sosar hana pachingi thap sni ta ki pudun.
Rohit Togbi also said that the people of Karbi Anglong must try and preserve and maintain the beauty of the district or any developmental materials provided by the government and not try to destroy it by theft or any other means. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.